In the cozy town of Sunnydale, where the sun always seemed to shine and the flowers always bloomed, lived a little girl named Emma. Emma was always busy with school, friends, and her favorite shows. But one day, she felt something was missing. One sunny afternoon, Sparkle the fairy fluttered into Emma's room. Sparkle was small and cheerful, with wings that shimmered in the sunlight. She loved helping kids discover magic in everyday moments. "Hello, Emma," Sparkle greeted, twirling in the air. "I've come to show you something truly magical. It's called family time." Emma looked puzzled. "Family time? What's magical about that?" Sparkle giggled and waved her wand, making glittery sparkles fill the room. "Oh, Emma, spending time with family is the most magical thing of all. Let me show you." Sparkle waved her wand, and suddenly, Emma found herself in her living room with her mom, dad, and little brother, Max. The room felt cozy and warm, and everyone was smiling. Sparkle pointed to a list on the wall that said, "Family Fun Activities." The magic of cooking together. Sparkle waved her wand, and Emma's family was transported to the kitchen. They were wearing aprons, laughing, and cooking a meal together. Mom was stirring a big pot of soup, Dad was chopping vegetables, Emma was mixing a salad, and Max was kneading dough for bread. The room smelled delicious. "Cooking together is fun and brings everyone closer," Sparkle explained. "It's not just about making food, it's about making memories." Emma helped make a fruit salad, mixing colorful berries, apples, and bananas. Max got his hands messy with flour, making funny shapes with the dough. They giggled as they tasted the soup, adding a pinch of salt here and a sprinkle of herbs there. The magic of game night. Next, Sparkle whisked them to the living room, which was now filled with board games, puzzles, and a big bowl of popcorn. Game nights are perfect for some friendly competition and lots of laugh, Sparkle said. They played their favorite board game. Emma cheered when she won, and Max made silly faces when he lost, but they all enjoyed the time together. Even Mom and Dad joined in, sharing jokes and cheering each other on. Games teach us how to work together, take turns, and, most importantly, have fun, Sparkle added. The magic of story time. Sparkle then transported them to a cozy corner filled with pillows and blankets. The family snuggled together as Dad opened a big storybook filled with tales of adventure, heroes, and far-off lands. Emma and Max listened intently as Dad read, their imaginations running wild with every word. Emma imagined herself as a brave knight, and Max saw himself as a clever wizard. "Story time lets your imagination soar and brings everyone together," Sparkle whispered. "It's like going on an adventure without leaving your home." The magic of outdoor adventures. Next, Sparkle whisked them outside to a beautiful park filled with trees, a sparkling stream, and chirping birds. "Nature has its own magic," Sparkle exclaimed. Emma and Max raced their bikes down the trail while Mom and Dad walked hand in hand, enjoying the fresh air. They played catch, went on a nature hunt, and even had a mini picnic under a big shady tree. Emma loved spotting butterflies, and Max enjoyed collecting colorful leaves. "Being outside together makes you feel alive and connected," Sparkle said with a smile. Magic of crafting together. Finally, Sparkle waved her wand, and they found themselves back home at a big crafting table. It was covered with colorful paper, glitter, glue, and paints. Emma, Max, Mom, and Dad all sat down and got to work, making their own little masterpieces. Emma made a beautiful drawing of her family, Max crafted a rocket ship, and their parents made a heart-shaped collage. Sparkle added a sprinkle of magic dust, and suddenly, their creations sparkled with magic. Crafting is a wonderful way to express yourself and share your creativity with those you love, Sparkle said. As the day ended, Sparkle waved her wand, and Emma found herself back in her room. She felt warm and happy inside, knowing that spending time with her family was the most magical thing of all. "Remember, Emma," Sparkle said, smiling softly. "The magic of family time is always with you. It's in the laughter, the stories, and the memories you create together." Emma hugged Sparkle and whispered, "Thank you, Sparkle. I can't wait to do more magical things with my family." Sparkle winked, sprinkling a bit of glitter in the air. "The magic is just getting started. See you next time, and don't forget to make every moment magical." Thank you for joining us on this magical adventure. Don't forget to spend time with your family, and remember, every moment together is filled with magic. Like, subscribe, and share for more magical fun with Sparkle the Fairy.